This is Pastor Mantsha, and I just want to share my new book with you, Single and Loving It. I've been writing this book for more than 10 years now. I remember actually when I was looking at my notes, the first couple of notes were saying, I'm just about to be 30 and I'm still single. So it took me 10 years. Initially, what inspired me is because I was surrounded by a lot of women that wanted to get married, that didn't even have boyfriends, that wanted to have children, and that always felt under pressure and felt that there was some imaginary clock that was ticking. So I was a single woman myself. I wanted to get married, but at the same time, I didn't feel the pressure. I knew that if God is willing, I will get married. But even if I didn't get married, it was fine. So I actually wanted to write a book and share the experiences, my own experiences, and also the experiences of other women, to say, you know what, there was a time when it was obvious that when you were about 25, you knew you were just about to get married, or when you were 20, but now things have changed. We're seeing women who are much older, who are not married, and the question is, can I live a fulfilling life as a single older woman? Can I do everything that God has called me to do? Or do I need to put my life on hold and wait until I'm in a relationship, or wait until I have children for me to have the life that I want to live? So what actually inspired me to write this book is my own life, my own experiences, my own insecurities, my own shortcomings, and most of all, I guess, society always asking me as if there's something that is missing in my life. So that's what inspired me to write the book. I wrote something that I wished someone else had written for me, especially when I was much younger with a lot of questions. So I figured, since I can't find a book that addresses my issues, let me rather write one and answer somebody else's issues. So on the 3rd and the 5th of August, you choose the date that you want to come on. We'll actually be sitting at the Blue Valley Estate Clubhouse. We'll be sitting, having dinner, and discussing the book. Some people would have read it already. Some would have read parts of it. I've been sharing portions of it. So please come and join us. We're going to be discussing it, going through it, asking a lot of author questions that you'd never get to ask. So please come and join us. It's a fun-filled day. It's a relaxed, casual day where we're just going to be going through even some of the things that don't appear in the book, where you can see that, hey, here the story is incomplete. You actually get a chance to ask right there and then. The same candor, the same humor, the same information that is in the book is going to be there at Blue Valley. So the 3rd and the 5th of August, please check on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram for the details of how to get there so that you can join us. And it's going to be amazing. It's one of many, but it's really the inaugural one, and you want to be